फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, welcome to Cricket Next. We are getting some interesting news from the BCCI for the India versus Zimbabwe tour, which is supposed to be organized in July of 2024. India is going to play 5 T20s against Zimbabwe in that tour starting on 6th of July, as per the latest updates from the BCCI. But the interesting news that we are getting is Shivam Dube has replaced all-rounder Nitish Reddy in the squad. Quite interestingly, because there were a lot many questions about Shivam Dube's exclusion from the squad, especially after he found a place in the T20 World Cup squad for India after his performances in the IPL. I'll show you the BCCI's press release, which has just come up half an hour ago. Shivam Dube has replaced Nitish Reddy. According to the press release of BCCI, Nitish Reddy is suffering from some kind of injury, and the BCCI medical team is monitoring that injury of Nitish Reddy so far. But it's quite uncertain what kind of injury Nitish Reddy is going through, and hopefully we will soon know the details. And we can only hope that he will soon be ready to be in playing situation once again, recovering from his injury. But quite interestingly, talking about Shivam Dube, he has been amongst the runs in this T20 World Cup, but he has not been in that form which we saw in IPL in the first half of the IPL, especially for Chennai Super Kings. He was stonking the bowlers for fun over there, but come the T20 World Cup, he has not been able to score those runs in the manner or in the form in which he was doing in the IPL, and in the manner in which fans expected him to hit those runs. So it will be interesting to see how he performs in the upcoming matches in the T20 World Cup, and also how well he is able to do in the series against Zimbabwe as well. While I'd say that he has not been able to score runs in the manner which we wanted, he has scored some important runs against USA. He scored important 31 runs when the team was under pressure. They had lost 3 early wickets during that run chase, and he formed a very good partnership with Surya Kumar Yadav to take India across the finish line. He also scored some good runs against Bangladesh and Australia. But the only concern which I think as of now, which he must also be having in his mind, is the strike rate with which he is scoring, because he was not brought in the squad to score at run a ball or score at a strike rate of 120 or 130. People expected him to score at a strike rate of 150 or above. So that is the thing I guess Shivam Dube will be thinking to work on, his power hitting and make sure that he can do those things for India, for which he was brought into the squad. For now, it is a like-for-like replacement in the Zimbabwe series for India, because Nitish Reddy is also an all-rounder, bowls medium pace. So does Shivam Dube, bowls medium pace, bats in the middle order. So a like-for-like replacement for India, and all those questions around why Shivam Dube not in the squad for Zimbabwe, why is he being rested after the T20 World Cup, will now be answered quite easily and in a straightforward manner by BCCI, since Shivam Dube has made it to the squad. So we'll bring you all the more updates from the World Cup and from the Zimbabwe series as well, as and as things unfold. For now, you guys stay tuned to Cricket Next. Thank you for watching us, and stay tuned to Cricket Next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।